starting recording. Thank you, Khushbu, for reminding. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, guys, there are some rules and conditions which you have to follow while doing this class. And everybody, please keep your cameras on who are not keep because see, Vivo V2207, who is that? See, guys, now listen carefully. See, there are some rules which we have to follow here that whenever now you are speaking in English, don't be afraid to make mistakes. See, here nobody will judge you. Here, how much you will speak, you will improve. So, this is all basically about speaking skills. So, this is very beneficial to speak more and more. When we try to speak English, the fear arises in our mind that people will laugh at us if I make any mistakes. Okay, so ये हमारे दिमाग में होता है. So what you have to do, you have to keep focus and do more and more. Try to speak more and more. ठीक है, जास्तीत जास्त बोलायचं आहे. Next है develop your vocabulary. Maximum you have to develop your vocabulary. ठीक है, learn new words and phrases regularly to expand your vocabulary and improve your ability to communicate effectively. You have to develop more and more vocabulary, and for that what I told you to read daily. I think you all are shared the book which you are going to read now, right? Who didn't share, please share. ठीक है, ज्यांनी नाही पाठवलंय त्यांनी पाठवा. ठीक आहे. And choose, guys, basic book. Don't choose any heavy book which maybe you will not understand. Don't use like that. Don't use a big book. You have to use a simple book where you guys can understand. Simple story book. Okay, लहान मुलांचे स्टोरी बुक्स असतात, that also okay for it. Okay, I want simple story book you to learn. Even you can learn from kids book as well. Now third is improve your grammar. Understand the grammar rules and practice them regularly. This will help you to speak more fluently and correctly. Okay, so maximum you have to improve. So don't worry about any grammar. Here we will learn all grammatical concept and we will consider it. So next is think in English. Change your way of thinking and start thinking in English. Okay, now how you will think in English? You talk with yourself, right? कि आज मुझे ये करना है, आज मुझे फ्रेंड के घर जाना है, मुझे खाना बनाना है, मुझे ये काम करना है. That all you have to think in English. That today I have to go in a market, then I'll buy some vegetables. What should I cook today? Okay, so these are simple things which you have to understand and which you have to talk with yourself. And next is talk to yourself. Talking to yourself in front of the mirror will increase your confidence and you will understand where you are making mistakes and where you need to improve. Okay, so no need to talk with the mirror. How you can improve? You can keep a camera. Okay, you can keep your front camera. That is also mirror one for you. And here I'll give you topics and you can talk on that topics randomly and listen how I'm looking while speaking, where I'm doing mistakes. Okay, that also you can do. So I hope you understand this. Anybody is having any doubt? See, now what we can do, I'll stop this. Now, first, one by one, this is your first class, so I want you to introduce yourself first so that everybody will know each other to talk more and speak more. Now, you guys have to be together and speak every day with each other. So, you will get a proper time to talk with everybody. So, today, introduce yourself. You have to tell about your hobbies and where are you living and why you join English speaking class. Okay, that you have to talk. Yes. So let's start with Shweta. Introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Shweta Rajendra Gaikwad. I am from Ahmednagar. I have done my MSc degree in 2023 in Environment Science for Pune University. I have completed course in UI UX designer and I am joined for spoken English class for the clear the interview.
Okay, to clearing the interview. Okay, good. Shweta, everybody clap for Shweta and welcome Shweta in the class. Good.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
Next, let's go with Deepa. Deepali. Hello, Deepali.
Hi, hello, good evening to everyone. I'm Deepali Mheskar. I'm living in Thane and running Salon Spa and Academy. In my profession, it is not very much difficult to speak in English, but other than my profession, sometimes I lost my confidence while speaking. So I want to improve my English, and this is one of my dream that I want to speak fluently in English. So I joined this. Thank you.
Okay, okay, okay. Good, very good. Dipali. Everybody clap Dipali. Clap for Dipali and welcome her in the class. Good. Yes, guys, clap for your friends because this is more important. Yes. Okay, let's go with Komal now.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Komal Suresh Bagde. I am from Pune, but currently I am staying at Hyderabad for searching a job. I have done my
Hmm.
MSc Chemistry from Pune University, and I have joined this class for learning English language fluently. So that's
Okay, okay, good. Very good, Komal. Everybody clap for Komal and welcome her in the class. Good. Yes. Okay, we have two Komals in the class. Yes. Okay, so now Komal. Yes, Komal, can you unmute yourself and give your introduction? Next, Komal. I think Komal is having some issue. So, Neha, can you please unmute yourself and introduce?
Yeah, sure. Hello everyone. My name is Neha Patil and I am from Kolhapur, but currently I live in Thane. And I am joining this class because of I unable to speak English confidently. So that's why.
Hmm. Okay, good, Neha. Definitely you will speak confidently. Everybody clap for Neha and welcome her in the class. Good. Yes, Manish.
Hello everyone, I'm Manish Jadhav. I'm from Belgaum, Karnataka, and currently I'm in Bangalore. I'm doing filmmaking in House on the Clouds. So
Okay.
I joined this course for because I'm having a problem. So while I was talking with the clients, so that's why I want to do this class.
Okay, okay. Good, good, Manish. Everybody clap for Manish and welcome him in the class. Good. Yes, Ranjita. Hi, Ranjita.
Hi, I'm Ranjita Patil. I'm from Vasai and I'm professionally I'm lawyer. But in my profession, sometimes I'm finding difficulty while dealing with the client and drafting my at the time of drafting. I'm facing difficulty and I have some grammatical difficulties. That's why I'm joining this English class to clear all my difficulties and want to fluent in English.
Okay, okay, Ranjita. Everybody clap for Ranjita when welcome her in the class. Yes, Meenakshi, have you introduced yourself? Yes, Meenakshi.
No. Hi,
Yeah.
good evening, all of you. I am Meenakshi, basically from Pune. I am working in a software company as a lead developer, but I have issue with talking with the client, so I have joined the call for my good communication.
Good communication. Okay, good, good. Everybody clap for Meenakshi and welcome her in the class. Yes, Nilima.
Hi, good evening all. I am Nilima. I'm working in advertising company. I have joined this class because of I want to write in a mail in a good manners and etiquette also. And I want to fluent English. I want to speak fluent English. That's the reason I joined Prachi ma'am class.
Okay, okay. Good, Nilima. Everybody clap for Nilima and welcome her. Yes, Komal, I hope now your network is okay. Unmute yourself and speak. Okay, I think still Vikram, can you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone. This is Vikram Wadekar. I am originally from Akole, Ahmednagar, but currently reside in Pimpri Chinchwad, Pune. I am a biomedical engineer. I joined this course for career growth and speak fluently English with my team. Actually, I am a team leader in my company, so I joined this class for that reason.
Okay, Vikram, actually, I think you are traveling. That's why your voice is not that much clear. Yes. What
Yes.
happened, Komal? Unmute yourself. If you can see in the corner, there is a dots. There, if you will click, you will able to unmute yourself. Okay, I hope now all you guys introduced yourself very. Yes, Khushbu, please introduce yourself. All are new, so you can introduce again.
Yes. My name is Khushbu Mishra. I'm from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I joined this course already. I joined this course because I am working currently IT field. That's why reason I'm not speaking fluent English. That's why reason I'm joining this course.
Okay, okay. Good. Everybody clap for Khushbu and welcome in the class. Yes. So guys, here now you know each other and you have to talk with each other more and more so that you feel comfortable while talking and you will feel more and more means see now here you will get so many friends to talk with and they everybody on same page so nobody is there to judge you and you will get a proper confidence that yes I can also speak very well and I will get you proper question answer which you can ask with each other and talk with each other. Okay, here we will learn from very basic and you will clear all the grammatical concept and you will get a proper time to discuss with each other. So here we will learn some question answer first today. These are the basic question which uh, you can ask with each other. Let me check. Yes. Second. Yes. Okay, so now I am sharing with you some basic question that you guys can see and understand it properly. Okay, so whenever you are greeting someone, okay, this is a first step how you can start speaking. So this is a first step, like hello, hi. These are the some greeting patterns. Hi, how are you? I'm good. Thank you. How about you? So always remember, if someone is asking you, hi, how are you? So answer that, I'm good. Thank you. I'm good. I'm well. I'm great. Anything you can say. But you have to ask the next person question that, how about you? Don't say, I'm fine. No, you have to ask question back to the next person to do proper conversation. Like, how about you? What is your name? You can ask name. You can say, my name is whatever is your name. My name is Prachi. My name is Manish. So many people say myself Prachi. No, this is a wrong way. Don't ever say myself. Always say, my name is Prachi. This is Prachi. Prachi this side. Anything you can say, but don't say myself. Don't use myself word. Okay. Whenever you want to introduce yourself. Next, nice to meet you. Okay, if you want to say the next person like nice to meet you, if someone is saying nice to meet you, you can say nice to meet you too, right? Where are you from? See, these are the basic question. Now so many people ask me that, ma'am, what to talk with the next person and how to start the conversation. So these are the basic questions which you can ask and start conversation. Where are you from? I am from Pune. So where are you from? You have to tell. I am from Pune. I am from Nagpur. I am from Ahmedabad. Anything you can say. Okay? What do you do? What do you do? Means तुम्ही काय करता? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? I am I am a teacher. I am a working professional. I am a IT professional. Okay? I am a housewife. I am a see, never say housewife. What word you can use instead of housewife? You can say I am a homemaker. Okay, always say who are housewives here. Do never say housewife is a very old word. So instead of that, you can say I am a homemaker. Okay, what do you do? What do you do? Okay, I am a student. Like the same way you can say, do you speak English or which language do you speak? Anything you can say. Yes, I speak a little English. I speak Marathi language. I speak Hindi language. Can you help me? If you need any help, you can say, can you help me? Sure, I can help. How old are you? How old are you? I am 30 years old. I am 40 years old. Whatever you can say. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Pune. I live, if already I said that I live in Pune, so I will tell you the proper location. Uh, I live in Swagate. I live in Hadapsar. Whatever your location, you can say. Okay. Now, if you want to talk about the personal information, you can say, what's your phone number? My phone number is dash dash. What's your email ID? What's? See, never say what is your email ID. आपण म्हणतो ना, what is your name? What's your name? So always say this, what's your name? What's your email ID? Okay, never say what is. So what's is a short form of what is. So always use short form while speaking English for looking more fluent. Got it? Are you married? No, I'm not married. Yes, I'm married. Whatever your status, you can share. Do you have children? No, I don't have. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. See now, if you want to ask about anything, any favorite thing, you can say, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite book? Now you only exchange the color. Instead of color, you can say, what's your favorite book? What's your favorite music genre? Only change color here and you can make so many questions out of this. What else question you can make? Manish, tell me what's your favorite? What
Color.
else you can say?
Color.
What? Yeah. What's
Orange.
your favorite color? Orange. Okay, that is
Yeah.
okay, but only by changing this name. सिर्फ color को निकाल के आप क्या बोल सकते हो? What's your favorite bag? What's your favorite food?
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to ask about food, you can only simply you have to change the color
Yeah.
and add food there. Okay, what's your favorite food? What's your favorite song? What's your favorite movie? So many sentence I can make, so many question I can make only with this question. So don't say कि don't think like that कि अरे यहाँ पे तो एक ही क्वेश्चन है तो फिर अभी मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया है. नो, एक क्वेश्चन के साथ आपको हजारों क्वेश्चन बनाते आना चाहिए. ठीक है? सो ओनली बाय चेकिंग व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट बुक, व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट फूड, व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट म्यूजिक. कितने सारे फेवरेट चीजें पूछ ली हमने. राइट? अंडरस्टैंड?
हाँ.
यस. डू यू हैव एनी पेट्स? If you have any pets, you can ask about it. Then, what time is it? What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. Anything, whatever the time, you can say. What day is it today? What day is it today? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. How, how's, how's the weather? How is, instead of how is, we have to say how's. How's the weather? वातावरण कसं आहे? How's the weather? The weather is hot today. The weather is sunny today. The weather is rainy today. The weather is very cold today. Anything you can answer it. What did you do today? What did you do today? म्हणजे आज तुमने क्या किया? Today I attend English class. Today I attended English class. Today I joined new class. Or today I learned something new. Today I read a book. Okay, so whatever you do, you can share. What did you do today? You can ask anybody. You can ask your daughter or anybody is in your family, your children. What did you do today in the school? आज स्कूल में क्या किया? What did you do today in the office? Right? Now, what's your daily routine? You can ask anybody about your daily routine. What's your daily routine? Got it? Guys?
Yes.
Yes. So, now what we will do? We will do a little practice here that you understand what question I already asked with each ask you. Now you have to ask this question with each other. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so now what I will make? I will make a group. ठीक है? I will make a group. So you will get a partner to talk with the same question. Okay? But first of all, let's practice one more time. Okay? Let's take, yeah, let's take Manish and Khushbu. Khushbu, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you guys can see, you guys can ask question to each other and do practice here so that everybody can understand how to ask question and how to give answers, right? And then everybody will go in a different room and practice same like this. Got it, everyone? Okay, good. Yes. Yes, Khushbu. You can ask question and vice versa. Manish also can ask question to Khushbu. Understand?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
have you shared PDF?
Without PDF,
No, I'm
also you
comfortable to
can,
have.
yeah.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Hmm.
How are you, Manish?
Fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. Manish,
Yeah.
which
So,
college you have passed?
what?
Which college have you
Mm,
completed any degree and course?
I have completed diploma in mechanical.
Okay,
So now I'm doing my job as a filmmaker.
okay,
So I'm filmmaker. I'm wedding filmmaker. So mostly we shoot high profile luxurious wedding in India
okay,
also as well as worldwide.
okay. Great,
Yeah.
Manish. And do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have one sister.
Okay,
She's working in IT company, Accenture.
oh,
So
okay. Accenture is good company.
yeah,
I know Accenture.
yeah.
Yes,
So
good
what
company.
about you?
Currently, I'm working same IT company. My
Oh,
company has says a IT solution product.
acha.
My profile is as a business development manager.
Yeah.
Currently, I live
So
in Ahmedabad.
so how long you are doing a job in IT?
No, I have working since last 3 to 4 years.
So you are married, right?
Yes, I am married. I have completed 13 years my marriage.
Oh, so you
Yes,
have childrens.
yes, I have two children, one girl and one daughter and my son.
So they are doing school or college.
Yes, a school. No, school call no.
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Okay. Good, guys. Good. Now, have you understand how you can
Yes.
start your conversation with the next person and do how to start and ask conversation, because English is all about speaking more and more. And even this is a first class, so I just want you to uh, know each other, and then we will start our new topics, and then I'll give you more things. Okay. So,
मैम सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू लास्ट रह गया
huh?
नाइस टू टॉक विथ यू ये आपने बोला था बोलना चाहिए
Yeah. Okay, so
सॉरी मैम
whenever you want to
नाइस टू
end
टॉक
your
विथ यू मनीष
conversation,
ओके
huh, yes,
मनीष
whenever you
नाइस
want
टू
to,
टॉक विथ यू
Yeah,
huh.
ओके
Okay, so
थैंक यू
what Manish will say, same here.
nice to talk
Okay.
with you too.
Yes, either
ओके
you
थैंक
can
यू
say
सो
nice
मच
to talk with you too, or you can say, yeah, same here. My
Yeah.
pleasure. The different way you have to answer. Always remember, whenever you want to end conversation, say thank you so much or have a great day. अगर आप morning में बात कर रहे हो तो you can say ना, okay, that's a
Morning.
great day ahead. Okay, so now I'm just randomly, guys, I'm adding you in a group. So if you can see there, okay, yes, yes, you guys have to talk with each other. Then you will have proper understanding. Yes. Yes, guys, you guys can. Okay, okay, no problem. You can call me Khushbu so that we can talk. ठीक है? Yes, I hope all rooms are open. You guys can join, please. Neha, you can join the room. If you can see on the screen.
Hello.
Yes, what happened, Shweta?
No, ma'am.
You didn't get any option?
No one is there.
No one is there. 1 second, I will put you
Uh,
in.
all camera of Neha, Ranjita, and
You are in which room? You are not in any room, I think.
no, ma'am.
But I already post you in. Did you get
Yeah,
any
Neha.
option to see?
Hello, Neha.
Hello.
Hello,
Yeah,
how are you?
I'm fine. Uh, Hi. Where are you from?
How's
Yeah.
I am from Ahmednagar.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Actually, I'm from Kolhapur.
Acha, how's your day?
Uh, my day is nice. Yeah. Okay. Do you speak English? Yeah.
Sorry.
Hello.
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 Your
Yeah.
voice is not clearly.
Hello.
Hello.
Now,
Ha.
now
Yes,
audible?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Okay. What's your hobby?
My hobby is traveling, dancing, and watching
Oh,
movie. What's your hobby?
my hobby is listening music.
Acha. Are you married
Okay.
or not?
No, I'm not married.
Acha.
Yeah.
Uh, now you
Okay.
are no.
Okay. What do you do?
Hello.
Hello.
You
Hello.
are studying and or working.
Yeah, I'm a working. Yeah.
What's about your education?
Oh, sorry.
About your education.
Okay. I did graduation in a BCom. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Uh, are you married or yeah?
No,
Hmm.
I am not married. I am
Okay.
currently searching for job in UI UX
Okay.
designer.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Guys, Dipali is also there. Hello, Dipali, please. Hmm.
Hello.
Dipali is also there.
Yes.
Dipali, on
Actually,
your camera.
hello. Yeah, some network issue is there. I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
no problem. You can continue.
to whom I'm going to converse?
Yeah.
Hello.
Three of you are in the room. Shweta,
Okay.
Neha, and Dipali. So you three of can ask each other question and talk.
Okay. Then, hi Shweta. You're from where? Hello.
I am from Ahmednagar, and you. What's your name?
Hello. I'm Dipali Maiskar. My name is Dipali
What's
Maiskar. Uh,
what's about your education and your background?
Actually, I'm a postgraduated cosmetologist. I'm in this business, means I'm running my salon, spa, and academy. And in this field, I'm in 20 years. Yeah, so staying in Thane only and running business also in Thane.
Acha, great,
And
great.
you are from Ahmednagar only, or are you working?
No, I am also in Ahmednagar. I am not working. I am searching for my job for UI UX designer in Pune.
Okay, okay. And how are you, Neha?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
basically, you are staying in Thane right now,
Yes, yes, I'm
as you
living
told.
time.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Nice to meet you
Nice
too.
to meet you too.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. And are you here from how many years? How many years you are staying in Thane?
1.5 years, just.
Okay, means you are very much new here.
Yes, very much.
Okay, basically you are from
Kolhapur. I'm from Kolhapur.
Kolhapur. Oh, very
Yeah.
nice city, Kolhapur is.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Let everyone join again. So, guys, how you feel after talking with each other? Yeah. See, because now, we didn't get anybody to talk with. If you will get a proper partner, I think some of don't know how to join the room, or they are little bit confused because this is a first class. So it might happen, but anyhow, we will cover everything. So don't worry about anything, and don't hesitate. Okay, what you have to do, don't hesitate. This you have to keep in your mind, and you have to ask that, ma'am, I stuck here. I just got stuck here. So how should I say this? If you will ask more and more question, you will get more answers. Okay? If you will if you will not ask any question, then I will think that you understood everything. Okay, so what what is your point, that you have to speak more and more here, give your 100%. ठीक आहे, बिलकुल टेन्शन घ्यायचं नाहीये. खूप बेसिक पासून आपण शिकणार आहे. कुठे पण तुम्ही स्टक झालात तरी मी आहे गाईड करायला तुम्हाला. काही प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये. ठीक आहे, त्यामुळे स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपण इथे प्रॅक्टिस करणार आहोत. ग्रॅमॅटिकल कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर करू आणि नंतर जास्तीत जास्त बोलण्याची प्रॅक्टिस करायची. नाव guys, I want to give you some assignments. That is, you have to complete, you have to follow 20-20 rule. Now what is this 20-20 rule? So 20 minutes reading, daily reading. Whatever book you decided to read, you have to read that. आणि शक्य होईल तर सुरुवातीला खूप सोपे पुस्तकं घ्या, खूप बेसिक पुस्तकं घ्या, ज्याची तुम्हाला लँग्वेज सहज समजेल आणि इंटरेस्ट वाटेल. काही वेळेला काय होतं की आपण खूप मोठं असं पुस्तक घेतो की हा आपण खूप खूप ठिकाणी पाहिलंय की हे पुस्तक खूप छान आहे, पण ते इतकं जड जातं आपल्याला समजायला की मग आपला इंटरेस्ट चालला जातो त्याच्यातला, की अरे खूप कन्फ्युजिंग आहे, काही समजतच नाहीये, जाऊ दे, ठेवून दे, 2 दिवस वाचणार, नंतर बाजूला ठेवणार. सो आपल्याला तसं करायचं नाहीये. Otherwise, what you can take, that easy story books असतात, मुलांचे, लहान मुलांचे स्टोरी बुक्स असतात, किंवा फ्रिक्शन्स, एनिथिंग तुमच्या इंटरेस्ट प्रमाणे तुम्ही. Otherwise, now Manish is more into filmmaking, so he can take interviews. Okay, he can watch interviews, or he can read more interviews of film stars or anything. ठीक है, and whatever you are reading now, you have to share with each other in every class. ठीक आहे, असं नाही की हा मॅमने सांगितलंय वाचायला आता मी वाचलं, बट इट्स नॉट लाईक दॅट. यू हॅव टू शेअर दॅट विथ युअर फ्रेंड्स, के यु नो now, for example, Komal and Shweta is in one room. So Shweta can share that yesterday, Komal, I read this. What about you? What you read yesterday? So Komal can share, yes, yesterday I read one book and this story I read. So this will help you to improve your confidence. See, आपल्याला रट्टा मारायचा नाहीये की मी काय वाचलं मग मी आता हे पाठ करते आणि उद्या सांगते. नो, रिलॅक्स, चिल. Whatever you understand from that story, you have to tell in your words. नो मॅटर थोडं पुढे मागे झालं चालणार आहे. आपल्याला इथे काही म्हणजे इट्स नो एनी कॉम्पिटिशन हिअर ना की आपल्याला ते खूप याच्याने सांगायचंय. सहज सांगा. What you can else tell ki what is my daily routine, what I did. Okay, so today I wake up at this time and then I went for shopping, I went for like whatever. Yesterday I went for one event and there this incidents happen. Anything you can share na. बेसिकली आपल्याला इथे गप्पा मारायच्या आहेत इंग्लिश मध्ये. विदाउट स्ट्रेस तुम्हाला इथे इंग्लिश मध्ये गप्पा मारायला मिळणार आहेत मस्तपैकी. त्यामुळे अभ्यासाचं काही स्ट्रेस नाहीये. जे तुम्हाला रिलेटेड ग्रामर आहे किंवा जिथे तुमच्या चुका होणार आहेत त्या मी करेक्ट करेल. ठीक आहे. इव्हन माझ्या समोर पण तुम्हाला अशा आपल्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीज पुढे होणार आहे की ज्या तुम्हाला इथे बोलायच्या आहेत सगळ्यांसमोर. सो तिथे आपण मग जज करू की काय चुकलं. ओके, सो आता निलिमाने सांगितलं तर आय कॅन टेल की निलिमा यू कॅन इम्प्रूव्ह हिअर, यू कॅन टेल हिअर. बट नाव फॉर at least 15 days I don't want to take any mistake. ओके, मला आता तुमच्या चुका नाही काढायच्या. आता मला तुम्हाला बोलतं करायचंय फक्त. विदाउट हेजिटेशन फक्त बोला. इफ जर तुम्ही बोललेत तर आपण चुका सुधारू शकतो. पण जर तुम्ही बोललेच नाही तर हाऊ कॅन वी इम्प्रूव्ह. ठीक आहे. सो डोंट हेजिटेट टू मेक एनी मिस्टेक्स. बिंदास्त चुका करा आणि बिंदास्त बोला. आणि इंग्लिश मध्येच बोलायचंय. Don't start speaking in Marathi now. Somehow when I need explanation, proper explanation, that time I will guide you proper in Marathi as well. So don't worry about it. But mostly what is our focus is to speak more and more English. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it.
Okay, good. So guys, our first class, I will share this question answer PDF to you. Okay, so just go through with all this basic question and speak loudly. काय करायचं तुम्हाला मोठमोठ्याने बोलायचंय. हाय, हाउ आर यू, वेअर आर यू फ्रॉम, वेअर आर यू लिव्हिंग, हाऊज युअर ब्रदर, हाऊज युअर मदर. काही पण क्वेश्चन असू शकतात पण मोठ्याने बोलून त्याची प्रॅक्टिस करा. ती PDF मी शेअर करेल, त्याची प्रॅक्टिस करा. अँड व्हॉट इज युअर assignment for the day? Your assignment is from morning when you get up, from that time to bedtime, what sentence you speak in your house daily, you have to write down that. सकाळी उठल्यापासून तर रात्री झोपेपर्यंत तुमच्या फ्रेंड बरोबर, तुमच्या ऑफिसमध्ये, तुमच्या घरी तुम्ही काय काय सेंटेन्स बोलतात याची एक लिस्ट करायची आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सकाळी उठल्यावर मी म्हणते मला चहा दे. What is this? Confirm you are speaking language. Okay. Ha. Okay. So what I can say, मला चहा दे. Give me a tea. Okay. So मग give me a tea ला could you please give me a tea? असं आणखीन बेटर वे मध्ये कसं म्हणायचं हे आपण शिकूया. बट तुम्ही पहिले बेसिक सेंटेन्स बनवा. ठीक आहे. सो सकाळी उठल्यावर मी माझ्या फ्रेंडला म्हणतो की येस आय एम गोइंग आउट. मी जातोय. आय एम गोइंग आउट. आज मला यायला उशीर होईल. I'll be late today. Now, how we can work on this? की जेव्हा तुम्ही ही सेंटेन्सची लिस्ट तयार कराल तेव्हा तुम्हाला कळलेलं असेल की मला हे रोज सेंटेन्स बोलायचे. मग ते तुम्ही रोज मोठ्याने बोलून त्याची प्रॅक्टिस करायची. आणि जेव्हा जेव्हा ते सेंटेन्स बोलायची गरज येईल तेव्हा मराठी सेंटेन्स स्किप करायचं आणि इंग्लिश सेंटेन्स बोलायचं. ठीक आहे. अँड दिस इज ऑल अबाउट आवर माइंड गेम. ठीक आहे. मला इंग्लिश येत नाही हे आजपासून बोलायचं नाही. जर तुम्ही म्हटलात की मला येत नाही तर तुम्हाला येणार नाही. तुम्ही म्हणायचंय मला येतोय. ओके, आय एम स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश अँड आय एम इम्प्रूव्हिंग इट. सो keep this positive attitude with you. If you will tell your brain every day, yeah, I can speak English, then you will speak English. You will never notice that, yeah, I already learned to speak English. So this is all about our mindset. Okay, if we will tell our mind that I don't know, so you will never learn as well. So change this language first. Every day, what you will say to yourself, I am speaking English, and I am speaking fluently now. Now you join the class, so anyhow, आलं तर पाहिजेच. ठीक आहे. सो क्लास लावलाय त्यामुळे यायलाच पाहिजे, असं तर नाहीये की लावलाय तरी पण नाही, असं नाही करायचंय. ठीक आहे. अँड 3 months guys, now this 3 months in your hand. You have to eat English, you have to speak English, you have to sleep English. ओके, वो डायलॉग माहिती आहे ना? येस, सगळं इंग्लिश करायचं आहे. I will every day, I will share with you some videos to watch. It's not sometimes, mostly I'll share my videos to understand your concept. And even I'll share with you some podcast videos that you will understand and share. This is for your listening practice. What you can say, guys? तो व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला चालू करायचा आहे आणि ऐकायचंय. That is something your listening practice. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, एक गाणं आपण म्हणतो, ते गाणं लगेच नाही, पण 2-4 वेळा जर ते गाणं आपण ऐकलं तर आपण ते गाणं म्हणायला लागतो. तसंच आपण जर वारंवार ह्या गोष्टी ऐकल्या तर आपल्याला माइंड मध्ये बसतात आणि आपण त्या यूज करायला लागतो. पण आपण एकदा बघितलं, मग आपल्याला काय वाटतं, हो मी एकदा व्हिडिओ बघितला, मला समजला नाही. तसं होत नाही. तुम्हाला त्याचे रिपिटेशन्स करावे लागतील. यू हॅव टू वॉच ईच अँड एव्हरी व्हिडिओ ऍटलीस्ट 4 to 5 times. जरी बोर झालं तरी आपल्याला 3 महिने आता इंग्लिश शिवाय दुसरं काही करायचं नाहीये. 3 महिने किती बोर झालं तरी इंग्लिशची प्रॅक्टिस करायची. गॉट इट? Okay, all are you agree with me?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
and all
ma'am.
you.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. One more thing you have to do is, इथे क्लासमध्ये आपण रीडिंग, रायटिंग आणि स्पीकिंग या 3 लेवलवर काम करतो. 99% स्पीकिंग स्किल्स असतात, बट 1% नाही म्हणणार मी, 30-40% आपला रायटिंग स्किल्स वर सुद्धा आपण खूप भर देतो. Because sometimes now you all are educated, you can read well, you can write well, only the problem is while speaking, right? Now one more activity what you have to do is, you have to start writing your daily diary. Guys, if you know any successful people, if you will listen their stories, all are writing their daily diary. ठीक आहे. तुम्हाला डेली डायरी लिहायची आहे, त्याच्यात 3 पार्ट करायचे आहेत. इन फर्स्ट पार्ट यू कॅन राईट अबाउट युअर प्रेझेंट, की आज तुम्ही काय काय करणार आहे दिवसामध्ये. नंतर तुम्ही लिहिणार की मी काल काय काय केलं. आधी वाटल्यास तुम्ही हे लिहा की मी काल काय काय केलं, त्यानंतर आज मला काय काय करायचं आहे. ठीक आहे. सो याच्यामध्ये काय होईल, काल काय केलं पास्ट टेन्स कव्हर होणार आहे, उद्या मी काय करणार आहे किंवा आज मला नंतर काय काय करायचंय, फ्युचर मध्ये काय बोलायचंय, फ्युचर टेन्स कव्हर होणार आहे. ठीक आहे. आणि प्रेझेंट बद्दल पण तुम्ही लिहू शकतात की मी काय काय करतो, आणि ते आपण टेन्स शिकणारच आहोत तेव्हा तुम्हाला तेही कव्हर होईल. पण जे तुम्ही लिहिणार आहात ते तुम्हाला शेअर करायचं आहे. गाइज, इफ यू विल शेअर ना, यहाँ पे इथे तुम्ही जे बोलाल ना अगदी बिंदास दिलखुलास बोला. तुम्ही आता हे सगळे ना फ्रेंड्स होणार आहे 3 महिन्यामध्ये. नंतर तुम्ही म्हणाल की मॅम क्लास तर केला आम्ही खूप छान इंग्लिश शिकलो, पण आम्हाला खूप छान फ्रेंड्स मिळाले. तुम्ही सगळे कुठून आहात आणि तुम्हाला एक छान बॉन्ड तयार करायचा आहे. ॲज अ फॅमिली आपण ग्रो करणार आहे. ॲज अ फॅमिली आपण शिकणार आहे. ठीक आहे? सो नो वरीज. आपल्याला काही जज करायचं नाही आणि तुम्हाला कधीही वाटलं, काही वाटलं मला कॉल करायचा, की मॅम मला इथे थोडंसं कन्फ्युजन वाटतंय, मला नाही समजलं. Anytime you can call. Only if I am busy with my classes, I will not attend the class. I will reply you later. Or you can just message me. Whatever is your problem, you can message me. And this is not about 3 months. This is for lifetime. Okay. This is our relation is now starting from today. This is for lifetime. Whenever you stuck, you can call me. Like so many my students call me after 1 year that ma'am again I want to revise something. I can say okay, join my whatever batch is going on. You can join because somehow कधी कधी असं होतं that all are not working. So once you learn, but if nobody is there for practicing, you guys just uh, forgot about some rules for some things. So you need to revise everything like time to time. If you will revise in, if you will be in a proper time and in a proper practice, then you will remember this everything. So it need a proper practice. This is not a jadoo. Okay, this is ये कोई magic नहीं है कि in instant like 30 days एकदम जादू झाली आणि तुम्ही शिकलात सगळे. शिकणार आपण आहेच. त्याच्यामुळेच हा 3 महिन्याचा टाइम घेतलाय आपण. That you will get a 100% result and good result. Okay. So that's very good, guys. That's wonderful. You all are great. I feel very happy to meet all of you. After meeting, you guys will rock and you will definitely get 100% result and will speak more and more in English. Okay.
Okay,
If
ma'am.
anybody want to ask
Okay.
any
Ma'am,
question,
I
you
have
can ask.
question.
Yes,
So,
Manish.
tomorrow onwards for a week, I am going for the Cyprus. So the class means this session will record, right?
Yes, yes,
After complete this session, you will
yes,
send the recording.
yes. See,
Okay.
all the sessions you will get. Now, Manish also can watch the session. Neha also can watch the session. Again, that sometimes happen now that connectivity नव्हती तेवढ्या वेळासाठी. And ma'am, I forgot what you said that time. So you can just watch the video again and rewind whatever you want. You can watch multiple times videos, no problem.
Okay. And that you shared one link in group, right? That series. So
Hmm.
I watched that all series, but I have some doubts in that.
Hmm.
So this is right time to ask.
Yeah, you can ask.
So I have notes. I will ask.
Hmm. You all guys watch that series which I shared?
Actually, Prachi ma'am, today I get your message, so I'm not watching that series.
Okay. I'll share it again.
Okay.
I have doubts, 2 pages doubts there.
Okay. If you have 2 pages doubt, can you ask me? Because 8:30 I have another batch to start. So you
Okay.
can take a pic of that and share me on the link.
I will write and share it. I will share
Yeah,
it in
message.
on
You
group.
message me. Yeah.
That everyone
You
can.
can directly message on group so that I can answer everyone.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay.
So you right now
चलो.
you will keep 10 question. You know whatever question you write from the day one, and whatever you doing in a day. So you start the question and write the whatever you do. So this is the first of all I say I write in a Marathi and then I write in a English, right?
Yes.
That's that type of na. And
Yeah.
this is we will show to you or only keep for our side.
You have to take a picture and share on the group so that
Okay.
everybody can see and watch.
Okay.
Okay?
Three
Okay.
sessions in a week, right?
Yeah, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7:30 p.m. to 8:30. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Thank you so much, guys, because I have another batch of from 8:30 to 9:30. So we will discuss some more things on next class, definitely.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Manish, Deepali, Nilima,
Thank you, ma'am.
Neha, Komal, Shweta. Bye bye, everyone. And
Bye.
remember what you
Bye.
have to do? You have to write down a list of sentence. Write down डेली यूज सेंटेन्स. सकाळी उठल्यापासून रात्री झोपेपर्यंत कोणते सेंटेन्स तुम्ही बोलताय याची तुम्हाला लिस्ट करायची. ऍटलीस्ट 50 सेंटेन्स यू हॅव टू राईट. 50. Yes. And this will increase. Okay, it will come by 100. Yes.
Okay.
And take a
And
picture of that all sentence and share on the group.
Okay, if sentence I don't know how to write, then I skip
Yeah,
or
you can put that on the group so that if others know, they can answer you.
okay.
Okay, chalo.
Okay.
Bye bye,
Thank you.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Good night.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye.
Yes. Bye, Komal. Bye.
Have a good
Bye, ma'am.
Meenakshi. Bye. You
Bye.
can leave, guys. Huh.